how to buy the BreakBot token. So before we start, this is not a financial advice. I am not a professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. So make sure to take a look on the Rex account. Now to be able to buy this token, it's by going and open it on Dix Screener. Now if you don't have an account on it, just go and create a new account. Now, as you can see, you may see this lock icon. This means that all of the liquidity or 99% of liquidity is locked. That means your investment in the safe place. Now, as you can see, this token is under Solana network. Now just copy the token address and go to Phantom Wallet. This is the best wallet to buy this kind of token that came under the Solana network. Now click on solve, as you can see, and make sure you have enough Solana on your wallet. Now from here, just click on it and now paste the token address, as you can see. To be able to find it, just click on it. Now enter how much you want to buy, as you can see. And as you can see, this is how much you will receive. Now click here to select the provider from here, for example Jupiter, and make sure to read all of this information from here, and they will redirect you to Jupiter provider to be able to buy this token. Now if you face any issue on your buy process, just go back and switch the slip patch from here to be able to buy this token without any issue. So this is how to buy the Break token. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, see you next video.